Hagasi palay jo kate yo kata ka arpoi tere unai tung aja arpuar ka SSA School Association Central Body kala le yakandu yulat ka jalla Satyapal Malik bankar padi u bon tuklar lem halor ka jinge jonki habe grand bigla pathai kubor hadian ka jia kandu u president ka nika seng u Aristotle Rumbai ulai tho boular ulakular haki bon shimkhia banyakran parliamentary rangba ka jalla kon ke sangma bar kumjuru bo onyakran barkatanat latingka barkatanat pule puthi haki jingle jong u shedeli kaban sedang ngadu ka arpu artarek mentau penai
ya kajing yakran jungi badi honorable governor hang tu hi hakmat jungi ila phone you honorable chief minister Konrad K Sangma but ila kali na iba kai mo nakaliang jopi ka state government pilale hakabai dei bat kani ka issue jung kini kino hikai SE ki bala don menta hang ne capital city pan protest menta la south ni climate te nakaliang jong I honorable governor ila tha yo honorable chief minister Sir Konrad K Sangma ba Mario Poi Shillong udai ban address no ya kane ka issue but ban settle once for all kata kalong ka ka ba nakaliang jong honorable governor ila pensngeu hangi ya ka ba ila kren ba I honorable chief minister ba ila penti pro yang nakaliang jong governor ba I honorable governor ba I honorable chief minister kumpa kalong menta imdon hapo Shillong idon sha po tura bat ila ong ba nunu la shai in sa wan pai kumamantan ban ila ong I honorable chief minister ba Mario Poi Shillong idai ban address ya kane issue but ban settle pon for on
lawan penkan mau hang ni bekinoi kai school SSA kila dawa baka sarkar kare ban pelaj no ya katulop jongki ka basa asan banai bar kumjuru ban kinti katulop jongki noi kai school lower primary bar upper primary